my name is Susan and I work at the Tabb Library in Youth Services. And today we're going to be doing our very first craft tutorial video. Today we're going to be learning how to do straw weaving. This is a super simple and versatile craft. You can take this with you on a road trip or just sit at home and do it. And once you learn how, then you can make bracelets, necklaces, keychains, even a funky belt. The kit is now available at Yorktown Libraries at both the Tabb and Yorktown branches in the Youth Services Department. And if you can't get a kit from the library, you can easily use materials around your house to do this. Let's get started. First, you need to gather your materials. The kit that you get from the library comes with a ball of yarn, 3 pipe cleaners, and 3 straws. You'll also need a piece of tape, some scissors, and possibly a long wooden skewer, but we'll get to that in a minute. The first step is to make a base for your finished product. Here, you'll need to make a decision. Your choices are yarn or pipe cleaners. If you use yarn, you'll have a more flexible finished piece. If you use pipe cleaners, it will be more structured. I'm going to use yarn for this one because I like the way it looks. So we're going to move those out of the way. First, you're going to tape your straws together. Line them up and then just wrap the tape around, just like that. And this is where it could get just a little bit tricky. So you want to thread the yarn through your straws. And this is where the skewer could come in handy. Depending on the width of your straws and the type of yarn you're using, it may get a little stuck and you may need the skewer to help you through. This one seems to be going pretty easily. And there you go. And then you're going to do the other 2 and then you'll be good to go to get started. All right, so now that all the yarn is through the straws, you're going to tie a knot in one end. And you want to leave about a 2-inch tail so you have plenty of room to finish it off. So you're going to tie the knot and then push the straws all the way up to the knot like that. Then you're going to take your ball of yarn that you got in your kit and the top straw. So for me, it's the top straw. For you, it's the bottom straw. So we're going to have to flip it. So this is where I'm going to tie the knot. So you're going to just tie a knot around that straw. Voila. And then push it up to the top. And now you can get started, but I'm going to give you a couple of tips first. So it's just a super easy over, under pattern. But you see these tails down here, they can get tangled up pretty easily. So you're going to have to make sure you're untangling it every now and then. And then every couple of rows, you want to push it up to the top. And you'll see what I'm talking about once I get started. So let's get started. So you're going to go under, over the middle one, and under the bottom one. You're going to go the other way. You're going to go over, under, over. And then you're going to push it up to the top. And then under, over, under. Just like that. Let's do it one more time. And once you get going, it's just super easy. It makes you just get going and you're just going to keep pushing it up. You can see these guys down here do get tangled up, so just go slow and make sure you don't get them too tangled. So I have one here that's almost done so I can show you how to finish it off. When your weaving is to the length that you want it to be, just tie a knot around the last straw that you used. And this is just to hold it in place while you take it off the straws. And then you're going to take the tape off your straws and then just slide it up onto either your yarn or your pipe cleaners. Slide it off, slide it off. And there you go. So now you're gonna have four, you're gonna have 4 ends down here, and you wanna just do another knot down here at the bottom so it doesn't unravel. So then you're gonna have 4 ends down here. So you wanna tie one more knot as close to the end as you can, so it holds it all in place. And there you go. So now you can tie your ends together to make a bracelet. You can put it on a keychain. You can fray the ends, do whatever you want. So this is with the yarn. If you used pipe cleaners, this is going to be what it's going to look like. It's much more structured. So, you know, it's different. And then here's another one that I finished with some fun variegated yarn that you can get. I got that at the store for just a couple of dollars. So you can, now that you know the technique, you can use this to make unique gifts for your friends and family using different size straws, different types of yarn, different lengths, all kinds of things. Thanks for joining me today for our craft tutorial video for straw weaving. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the York County Public Library's YouTube page and Instagram page so you can stay up to date on all of our great digital content. Have a great day.